Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ava at Glow with Ava, and for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a no makeup look. So this is a look that I pretty much master on an everyday basis, and it really looks like I'm not really wearing any makeup when in reality I am, and hiding some of those imperfections, but it's more just like a my skin but better look, the more natural look. This is the look that my fiance always says I look really good in, because he always says, "Are you wearing makeup?" So this is the "is she wearing makeup" look. Anyways, let's just dive into it. I already have some SPF and some skin prep already. So for skin prep, it was really easy, and I just put on some lightweight serum on. The moisturizer we're gonna go in today with is the Tinted Moisturizer from Laura Mercier. It's their newest moisturizer, their reformulated version actually. So if any of you guys have used the previous version with the brown bottle, you know what I'm talking about. I used to be like one of the most OG loyal followers of that product. I used to have backups and backups of that in the case that I would run out. But then when they came out with this, I was like, is it really going to be that different? So I had to give it a try. So today is going to be my review of it and also me applying this product as well. But the important thing to remember is that it's SPF 30, but don't forget to think that this is just going to replace your SPF. This can never be worn as a replacement of your SPF, because any kind of tinted moisturizer with SPF does not, it's just an added protection. It doesn't mean it's actual SPF. All right, so that is my pep talk and skin lesson over for today. So I have the shade Cameo, it's 1C0, and it's got this pink undertone that I think is beautiful and the perfect shade for my skin tone. So the way you apply this is you can either apply it just by hand. So that's what I'm going to be doing on this side. Let's just apply it with your finger. Sometimes your finger is really your best friend. Okay. And then this side, we are going to use an actual brush. So I have a little bit more redness on this side of the face. For this side, I'm going to use this brush. I'm still trying to figure out which technique is better for lazy days. Obviously, finger is fine, and this side has actually blended out pretty well, but just wanted to show you guys pretty upfront how it looks. And the thing about, see, when using a brush, it can actually lead to some kind of like pilling, not even pilling, but it doesn't blend too well sometimes. So this brush actually I think works better for foundations instead of just like tinted moisturizers. So sometimes you can just use a sponge like this and just blend everything out. This is a long-winded way of applying a tinted moisturizer. All right, so that is it. That's applied on both sides of the face, and can you really even tell a difference? The only thing I will say is different about this newly formulated moisturizer is that it does give more of a natural finish for me. Previous versions just didn't have that natural of a finish for me, to the point where sometimes I would have to apply BB cream over it, or I would just stick to more BB creams that had higher coverage and more of a natural finish. But this one, I feel like still has the same amount of coverage. It's not going to be a high coverage foundation at all, or tinted moisturizer, but it does give a super natural finish, and it's like seamless. It's very seamless and doesn't feel like I'm wearing literally nothing. I gotta say, not too much of a difference from the older one, but gotta say, I kind of like this much more. So now that the base is done, I'm gonna see if we need a little bit of concealer, maybe just a little bit. So then the concealer I'm gonna be using is the Glossier. This is a shade darker than my usual one, but I do have a little small breakouts going on here and there right now. So I'm just gonna hide just a very little bit of that, maybe my dark circles. Okay, so that is after very, very little bit of concealer. And now, oh, lips. So the lips that we're going to be going in with is actually from RMS. It's their Pop Collection palette. I love this one because it's so multifaceted. It's got your lip color, blush color, lip balm, and eyeshadow color, highlighter, everything. So today I'm just going to be using this red color here and just give a little bit of that pop. You can also use this color as your blush as well. This is the most color that we will be using today. My lips are so dry, so I'm actually going to use a little bit of this lip balm as well. Now that the lips are in, let's go in with another RMS. This is our eye polish in Lucky. I absolutely adore this color. And also just apply it with your fingers. So it's very pigmented and it's the prettiest shimmery gold color. And one eye polish is plenty enough. See, that's pretty much it. That's all you need for your eyeshadow. And now we are going to be going in with some brow gel. So this is the Ilia New Brow Gel that I absolutely can't live without. And all you do is just kind of, for a lazy day, brush it across. See how much better it looks already on this side compared to that side? Now we're going to be going in with this side. Now we're going to go in with this side. So it really doesn't look like I did anything to my brows, but there really is that difference. And then mascara. So I'm just going to use an eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes a little bit. This eyelash curler is from Shiseido. It's perfect for Asian eyes. Oh, also I've been using Latisse for about 2 months now, and my eyelashes have really grown so much to the point where actually wearing mascara can make a big difference for me. So I don't really wear eyeliner as much anymore, just because I can use my lashes to make an accent for my eyes. Can you believe the day has come? Anyways, I'm using this new Clean Beauty mascara from Well People. They are sold on Detox Market, but I like that this is actually pretty good for lengthening my lashes. I'm not sure how great it is for actually lifting it up and making that last, but as far as lengthening, it does a really good job. And also it really never clumps up, which I find is very common, especially when you like first open a mascara. You see the clumping problem, but this one you don't. Look at that already. Isn't that incredible? That's so incredible. This mascara is great. I really like it. Okay, and now we are doing some highlighter, and my favorite highlighter is this Tata Harper highlighter lately. It's so subtle, and I have to say I like it better than the RMS Luminator, just because of this little golden tint that it's got. So it feels like it's like a little golden shimmer on my face, and actually blends out really nicely. It blends out better than the Living Luminizer from RMS in my opinion. And it's funny because I feel like all or most of the products I'm using today is actually like clean beauty, and I feel like when I want to go for more of that natural makeup, no makeup look, I tend to go towards more clean beauty because of how subtle it is, but also they're very effective. It also gives me the sense that like when I'm trying to not wear that much makeup, I lean towards using clean beauty ingredients because I feel like that's like doesn't like harm your skin as much. Just my thinking. So speaking of clean beauty, we have our last item, which is another clean beauty brand, Kosas, one of my favorites, and literally screams my name. So this is the highlighter, this is the blush, and this blush color is so gorgeous. See? It's like this peachy, pinky, Indian pink color. That's such like my perfect mood palette. And I like it because the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer was also like a pinkish undertone. And so is this. So I feel like those two, like these two pair really well together. Okay, I'm just gonna give just a slight bit of natural flush. It's like, oh, I woke up with this flush, you know? Tiny bit of highlighter like under here. Just a little over my nose. See, this is the finished look, and if I just go out like this, I can easily be like, oh, I really didn't wear that much makeup. The only thing that you can tell by is the mascara, but this is the no makeup glass skin look that I master. I hope I hope you guys found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel below at Glow with Ava. Follow me at Glow with Ava on Instagram, where I do a lot of daily tutorials as well. And until my next video, I will see you guys next.